Those are the 4 rims right here. They're all washed and cleaned. So now I'm going to look at each rim and see any blemishes that needs to be filed clean, smooth. If there's any dents, I'll pound them out. These are aluminum rims, so you can tell between which one is the front and which one is the rear. The rear are wider. Now some ATVs, they're all-wheel drive, so those you need to get the same width, front and back tires, so that you can rotate them. But since this is normally 2-wheel drive, so the rear axle is active, so you go wider for more traction, and then you can switch over to 4-wheel drive and use the front wheels. So these are the new tires. These are the rears. You can see they're wider than the front. So yeah, and that's it. This is the camera I use. See, GoPro, but that one is magic mount. So anyway, I'll take a ball peen hammer. It has a smooth surface, and then what I'll do is I'll look for any dents, and I'll just tap it. Just make it straight. Perfect. Yeah, now I look this side. Good. That one needs to be pulled out. So what I got. You can see it. Okay, see how they must have hit something here and then bent inward. See that? So what I'm going to use this tool, go like that, and I'm going to push it back out. Yeah, like that. Hope it'll work. Today I'm going to work on these blemishes. What I'll do is any sharp thing, I'll just file them off. There you go. It's just that the rim was must have hit a rock or something, so it's kind of rock. spray paint with new paint, this will be covered with paint again. So, just like new. How's that?